So, you're new to the RMS Cloud, or you've been using for a while and looking to improve your skills and knowledge. Well, you've come to the right place. In this series of videos, I'll step you through all the basic functions and show you some advanced features as well. In this episode, I'll show you how to use the toolbars and menus to best navigate the system to become an efficient user, with a few tips and tricks along the way. The first time you log on with your unique username and password, RMS will look something like this. RMS is highly customizable and is used in a wide variety of business types. It can be optimized to reflect the roles and responsibilities of users at many different levels, hiding unnecessary features and bringing commonly performed tasks to your fingertips. Therefore, the user interface is going to look somewhat unique to every user. So keep that in mind if what I show you looks slightly or totally different to your layout. The screen you first see when you log on to RMS will depend on what has been set by the system administrator. The options for the Startup landing page include these options and can be changed in Security Profiles or User Information. More on that in other videos. The main menu, or side menu, is accessed by sliding the cursor to the left-hand side of the screen. Pin it open by clicking this arrow. Revert to Auto Hide by clicking the arrow again, which reduces the menu to a series of icons, providing more space on the main screen. Clicking on a header expands the options for quick access to more features, and this dot acts like a breadcrumb to hold your place in the menu. In future videos, we'll talk about using Security Profiles to customize this menu, so you only see the features you use and need. The menu search will quickly find any feature, function, screen or report by simply typing the name into this field. Not sure what the feature is called? Try a few keywords or even the first few letters of what you think it might be called. The top toolbar provides single-click access to frequently used functions and screens. While you're learning which icon represents each function, you can reveal its label by hovering over the toolbar. To customize this toolbar, hover over the end of the row to expose the Settings cog and click on it. Start by removing each icon that represents a feature you don't use regularly or at all. Use the small X that appears above each icon. Now go through each group of icons and drag the ones you think you will need into the top row. Click, hold and drag the icons into your preferred order. Use this icon if you want to start over. This is something you can come back to over time to continuously optimize your workflow. RMS users often get into the bad habit of searching for reservations by scrolling aimlessly around the booking chart. This is an inefficient way of searching, and it's frustrating for guest and operator alike. If you know the guest's name or reservation number, click here and enter it into the reservation search field and press the Enter key. If there's a single match, the reservation will open on the screen. If there are multiple matches, the reservation search screen will open. If you want to impress your workmates, use the F3 function key to place the cursor in the search field. This lets you start a reservation search without even touching the mouse. Alternatively, enter the search criteria and hover over the magnifying glass. This gives the option of opening the reservation on the booking chart. The bed icon is for searches by room number. These options will search for current and future reservations. Choosing the globe icon will perform a universal search, including past, current and future bookings with any status, including departed and cancelled. System notifications are accessed here. Messages from guests, staff, travel agents and more are accessed via the speech bubble icon. And go to context-sensitive help files using the question mark icon. Log on and off and update your personal details here. Most screens will have a combination of action icons in the top right-hand corner. Learn their functions by hovering over each one to reveal their labels. And there you go, you're off and running. Stay tuned for more videos showing you how to get the most out of RMS.